Tapescript 3.8.1.
Hi Mom, is it okay if I help you prepare dinner for Aunt Sokna and Uncle Panya?
Yes, that would be great.
What are you making?
I'm making prawns, fried chicken, fried vegetables, soup, and boiled rice.
That sounds delicious. Can I help?
Can you pass me the prawns from the fridge?
Here, Mom. Wow, they're huge.
Will you light the barbecue so I can cook the chicken?
Okay, Mom, the barbecue is burning.
Thanks. Can you put the chicken and prawns on the barbecue?
Okay. How long do they take to cook?
Don't worry, I'll tell you when they are cooked.
What else can I do?
Will you chop the green beans and the cauliflower, please?
Okay. Can you pass the knife, please?
Will you pass the vegetables, please, Bisay?
Here they are, Mom.
The chicken and prawns are cooked. Can you take them off the barbecue and will you put them on the plates, please?
I'm finished, Mom.
Thanks, Bisay.
Prepare. Prepare.
Prawn. Prawn.
Fried vegetables. Fried vegetables. Fridge. Fridge.
Burn. Burn.
Chop. Chop.
Cauliflower. Cauliflower.